Welcome to my channel Schooling at Home. Today I am going to show you classic subject science. Here is the content. Today I will show you Chapter 9 Living Organisms and Their Surroundings. Let's start. Chapter 9 Living Organisms and Their Surroundings. In forest, wild animals, wild plants, dry leaves. In mountain goats, ice, snow, pine tree, yak. In desert, cactus, sand, camel. In the sea, aquatic animals, aquatic plants, shells, salty water, corals. Adaptation in habitat. The surroundings where an organism lives is called its habitat. Organisms depend for their air, water, food, shelter, and their needs. Adaptation. The presence of specific feature which enable a plant or animal to live in its surrounding is called adaptation. Adaptation in camel. 1. Long legs to keep away from hot sand. Number 2. Secrete small amount of urine. Number 3. Stores water in hump and can live without water for several days. Adaptation in fish. Number 1. Streamlined body help in swimming. Number 2. It has gills to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Types of habitat. Number 1. Terrestrial habitat. Plants and animals live on land. Example, forest, desert, mountain, grassland, coastal areas, etc. Aquatic habitat. Plants and animals live on water. Example, pond, lake, river, ocean, etc. Components of habitat. Number 1. Biotic component. Living things, plants and animals. Biotic component. Non-living things, example air, water, heat, sunlight, rocks. The biotic components are important for growth of plants and animals. Various terrestrial habitat. Number 1. Desert. Camels have long legs. Number 2. Rats and snakes live on burrows to keep away from intense heat of day. Number 3. Cactus have long roots to go deep inside the soil to absorb water. Number 4. Leaves are in the form of spines. Causes very less transpiration. Number 5. Photosynthesis take place in stem. Number 6. Stem take convert with waxy layer which help to retain water. Next, mountain region. Number 1. Very cold and windy habitat. Number 2. Trees are cone shaped and have slopy branches. Number 3. Leaves and needle like which helps to slide snow or rain water. Number 4. Animals have thick skin or fur to protect from extreme cold. Number 5. Mountain goats have strong hooves for running up and the rocky slope. Next, grassland. Number 1. Lion is brown color, which helps him to hide in dry grass. Number 2. Eyes in front of lion face help locate prey. Number 3. Deer has strong teeth to chew hard grass. Number 4. Long ears of deer help to protect it against its predator. Next, predator. Animals which catch prey, example lion. Prey, animals which is to be caught, example deer. Aquatic habitat, ocean. Streamlined body of fish helps to swim. Number 2, gills in fish help to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Number 3, dolphins and whales don't have gills. They breathe through their nostrils or blowholes, which prevent on upper part of head helps it to breathe in air. Number 4, they can stay in water for a long time without breathing. Ponds and lake plants. Root are reduced stem, a long hollow reach the surface of water. Number 2, some plants are submerged. Their leaves are highly divided to protect it from flowing water. Number 3, frogs live in pond as well as land. Frogs have webbed feet which help to swim in water. Characteristics of living things. Number 1, they grow. They all need food. They all living things respire. Body obtain energy from food through respiration. Earthworms breathe through skin. Fishes breathe through gills. Plants breathe through leaves. During day and night, photosynthesis takes place only during day. Next is stimuli. Stimuli. Changes in our surroundings that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. Plants. 9 o'clock flower bloom only during daytime. Mimosa indica or touch me not. Leaf fold and leaf fold when touching it. It's an activity. Take a box and put a plant in it and ma- mark a hole there to get sunlight from that hole. Observation, plants turn toward the sunlight in dark room. 5. All living things secrete. Number 6. All living things reproduce their own food. Animal by hatching egg by giving birth to their young ones. Next, plants by sowing seed. Number 2, different parts of plants. Potato by bird, raised plant, money plant, stem cutting. Number 7, all living things move. Animals move from one place to another. Plants blowing a flower. Number 8, all wing dies, living. All things die and live. Next is exercise. Question number 1. What is habitat? Answer. The surrounding where an organism lives is called its habitat. They depend for their air, water, food, shelter, and other needs. Question number 2. How are cactus adapted to survive in desert? Answer. Cactus have long roots to go deep inside the soil to absorb water. Number 2. Leaves are in the form of spines, causes very less transpiration. Number 3. Photosynthesis take place in stem. Number 4. Stem take cover with waxy layer which help to retain water. Number 3. Question number 3. Explain why speed is important for survival in grassland for animals that live there. Answer. In grassland, mainly grass were found. Predators like lion and tiger fed upon other animals such as deer. To protect them from predators, animals adapt themselves by increasing their speed to escape from predators. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Presence of specific features which enable a plant or animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Number 2. The habitat of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Number 3. The habitat of plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial habitat. Number 4. Soil, water, and air are the abiotic factors of a habitat. Number 5. Changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are stimuli. Next, question number 5. Which of the non-living things listed below were once a part of a living thing? Butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple, rubber. Question number 6. Which of the things in the following list are non-living? Plow, swing machine, radio, boat. Question number 7. Give an example of non-living things which shows any two characteristics of living thing. Answer. Car shows movement and consume energy, which are the characteristics of living thing. Question number 8. List the common characteristics of the living thing. Answer. Number 1. They grow. Number 2. They all need food. Number 3. All living things respire. Number 4. All living things respond to stimuli. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कीजिए.